my tickets are finally booked, and that means I'm going on a trip.
Let's go.
Yup. So I finally booked my trip. Alright, so I finally booked my ticket and I'm going to Jaipur, and it was such a headache to book my ticket because it was Tatkal. And yeah, that's it for the story time. So today we are going to figure out how to pack our bags and go on a trip. I would have made this video last time only when I went to Manali, but I literally had like 30 minutes max to pack my bag. I was so tired from my exam last day, and then I had to go somewhere, and I just came home and I had to had my lunch, and I had 30 minutes. I just packed my bag. I wanted to sleep so bad, but I just went. So I did not have time that time, so I could not. But today we have time as my train is tomorrow morning, and today we are going to pack our bags together. Let's start. So let's start with a chotu sa introduction. Myself Tejasvi, and this is my chotu sa pyara sa bag, which is not so chotu, means yeah, you can see it. Yeah. So this is a hiking bag, and I took this with me to Manali also, and it will fit everything because I don't even know for how many days I'm going. So it can be short, it can be long, but I'm on the shorter side, but I want to go on a longer side, means I really don't know. So we're going to pack everything in this bag only. Okay, so it has enough space, and yeah, so that's it for this bag. And then we have second one also. This is my small bag, and you will say I have already that bag, then why is this also there? So this is for packing my tiffin and stuff, because tomorrow I'm going on the train, so I will have to eat now breakfast, lunch and stuff like that. Only breakfast and lunch because the journey is not so long, but still I will pack my food in this chotu sa bag, okay, and take with me. We are done with the bags, and now we're going to focus on other stuff. With the clothes, I wanted to take minimal clothes, but the thing is I'm quite confused because this one time I went to a trip on during my school time. So during my school days I went to a trip, and what happened, I had not packed enough because I had like thought, okay, this is enough. My mom told me this is enough, and then it wasn't enough. So from that time I have learned to pack one extra pair. So yeah, that's it.
Anyway,
So let's start with the jeans. So I'm going to take 3 lowers with me, and these are the 3, one jeans, and okay, you get it. Now let's come to t-shirts. So these are the t-shirts. I'm taking like 4 of them. So this is a baby haul what I'm going to wear, and I really don't know if I'm even going to wear it, but let's see what happens. Obviously I'm going to pack extra stuff also. This is second. Then we have this shirt, which I could not find, but now I found. This is another shirt. Then fourth. So these are the stuff, and then we have the shirts. Okay, my shirts are like full of flowers and stuff. Wait, this one doesn't have flower. Oh, so the shirts you would have seen me wearing in many of the videos. This is the first shirt. Then we have 2 more, and this one second, and then third, yeah, this one. Okay, so these are the shirts and t-shirts. Then we come to the things that we are going to wear during the night. So you have to pack clothes because you want to wear clothes during the night also. It's your choice. I'm not forcing, it's your choice. Yeah, I've packed like 4 t-shirts. 3. I've packed like 3 t-shirts for I've packed 3 t-shirts that I'm going to wear in the night, because obviously I can repeat them, so only 3. Then have packed 3 shorts, pants, lowers. Yeah, so I have like 2 shorts, but then I was like, what if it's cold there in Jaipur? It's so hot in Delhi, and I'm thinking it will be cold in Jaipur. I don't know, what if it happens? So a full pajama type pant and 2 shorts because it's hot. But what if? This is what if. Okay, we have the shorts for the night. The shirts for the night are done. Then we have the undergarments for all the days. Then we have some socks. I have put 3 socks with me. I'm going to wear 1 tomorrow, and 2 are going to come with me to the trip. Then we have masks, and I have put like 3 masks. I think I will keep 1 extra, so total 3 to 4 masks are enough, I think. We got to keep masks because corona baby is everywhere. Then I have packed a sanitizer because again corona baby, sanitizer, you know. Let's come to some necessary things that we need, such as I have packed this paste. It is quite small to be honest, but my mom was like beta it will be enough, and I'm like okay, agar khatam ho jata I'll buy another one, okay. And then we have these shampoo packets. I was going to take shampoo in a small bottle, but then we already had these packets, so I thought of taking these instead. I have this rinky tikki because mummy said beta what if तुम्हें कपड़े धोने पड़े, what if तुम घर पे भी कपड़े नहीं धोते but तुम बाहर तुम्हें धोने पड़े, because I don't know. So I'm going to take this rin with me, okay. Photos are deo which is almost done, like it has only 10 or 5%, but I'm thinking कि इसको ट्रिप पे ख़त्म कर लेते हैं, सो मैं इसको लेके जा रही हूँ so that I can just get done with it. By the way, I just love it. Park Avenue, I love you. Okay, I love you. You can just sponsor me. Okay, you can just sponsor me. You can give me your stuff. Park Avenue, I love you. Apart from that, I have this cream. This is not like Garnier or Lakme ki cream. This is a cream I made at my home only, but I have like kept it in this dabba. Then we have this handkerchief. And then we have this brush because obviously we are going to brush our teeth, our tongue cleaner because we are going to clean our tongue, okay. So these are the necessary things. I am also thinking of taking a small moisturizer with me because my skin tends to get dry, so I'm going to take a small moisturizer. And also I'm going to take 2 lipsticks with me too to the trip. You know, I wear lipsticks kabhi kabhi, so I'm thinking let's do this during this Jaipur trip. So I'm going to take 2 lipsticks with me, and I love this shade. I'm going to show you real quick. So I have like 2. This one I have been using kabhi kabhi college ke time pe. This is nude lipstick and it doesn't even show, so I'll just give you a small example. Any difference? If there was any change in the angle, sorry, because my storage was dead. Can't do anything. I can do. I will do soon. So I was saying, back to the lipstick thing. Back to the lipstick. Any difference? You guys see? I'll put it once again. 3 लेयर लगाऊंगी, कुछ तो डिफरेंस लगना ही चाहिए. See? अब लग रहा है. But it's almost like no difference. So that's why I love it. Then let's come to the second one. And इसमें दिखता है. This is called maroon or brown, I don't know. It's the mixture of both, I think. Let's put it on. This shows. This is turning into a lipstick haul video. Oh my god, ज़्यादा dark हो गया.
Applies one more layer.
Anyways. So this is what. This is. Oh my god, मैंने खराब कर दिया. Anyways. कोई बात नहीं. So I'm going to film the rest of the video with this lipstick on. Enjoy. By the way, how's my haircut? It looks cool, huh? Just like me. I just had a haircut yesterday and booked my ticket today. Means I had to first book my ticket now, but I didn't. I did everything I should have done or should haven't. I should have done and booked my ticket in the morning. And I was like, will I even get it? Because I was unable to log in. But now it's done. Everything's cool now. I have some accessories that I'm going to take with me, okay, because I'm in mood to take things with me, okay. So let's meet them. So this is the first one, and to be honest, I never liked wearing anything on my neck, but I think we're changing our aesthetic. It's aesthetic only now. Yeah. So this is the first one. My sister was like, ताला येरा चाबी का है. दीदी मैं चाबी लेके आऊँगी next time. So it looks cool now. La 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 la. Yeah, this was the first one. Let's come to the second one. Okay, ये बाहर निकल गया, but it has heart in it, and I don't even know कि ये मेरे पास है कैसे, मेरी बहन का है कि ये मेरा ही है. I don't know. मतलब that one I brought myself, so I know that it's mine. But this one I really don't know. Maybe my friend gift. I really don't know. So this is it. I'll show you. थोड़ा पास how it looks. So this is छोटू सा, cute सा. Yeah. Now let's come to the third one. This is turning into a haul sort of thing, but जो भी है, I love it. I love it. Okay, yeah. So here it is. Let me show you. So this is how it looks, and I think this one is my favorite one. Yeah, looks cool. Looks cool. Let's keep it aside. I'm also going to take a earring with me. I was very lazy to decide, so I didn't even like see all the earrings that my sister has. I just picked one that I had in my shelf. So here it goes. I don't like them. They look bigger than my face. I really don't know. Should I even bring them along with me? Maybe or maybe not. We'll see. Woohoo! We'll see. We'll see. Then we have our comb. I think I already told you about my comb. Yeah, that's it. Then I have one soap. This is basically a charcoal soap. You already know by now if you watch this channel that I love organic charcoal soaps and all the other soaps too. So this is the soap that I am going to wash my face and wash myself with. I also have to keep a loofah, so there is one loofah too. Other item that I have is this fanny bag. I'm going to keep this with me. Let me show you. You have already probably seen this. So this one is pretty cool. The next thing is this belt, obviously because I need belt. Also going to take my Polaroid with me. So this is my Polaroid, cute sa pyara sa. And to be honest, I really haven't checked because I haven't used my Polaroid since more than 2 years. It was in my hostel. I couldn't even find it if you have seen my hostel vlog, and then it was in my friend's house, so I finally got it. So it has been more than 2 years. More than 2 years. So I have to like put in cell and check in, and if it works, I'm going to take it with me. So other things are pretty basic. I have my specs so that I can see the world clearly. वैसे भी मैं clearly देख पाती हूँ, but still just for that extra. Yeah. Then we have our phone, from which I'm recording right now. We have this phone. We have phone ka charger. We also have AirDops because these are so good. They have like helped me so much during the lockdown time and have become my best friends, even though they don't like really fit in because they are small and these AirDops are kind of big. Okay, so anyways, but I still love them. And also their charger is the another thing that I have kept. Then I'm also going to keep a small water bottle with me, and some of the important things that we have to keep are things for verification. So I'm going to keep my Aadhaar card with me. I'm going to click a picture of it also so that I can digitally show it. And if you are going outside, you have to keep your passport, visa, stuff like that. So I'm going to only keep my Aadhaar card and PAN card, pictures of them. And also you can keep your student ID. It works sometime. If you have your student ID, just keep it with yourself. Okay, next thing that I'm going to take with me are my books. Let me show you. So I had decided upon 2 books that I'm going to take, but my mom is like, baby, just enjoy your trip now, you can read after you come back. So it really like touched, and now I'm confused because I'm confused which one to decide, and I can't even ask you guys to like decide for me, because even if you decide, the trip would be done by then and I would have already made my decision. Yeah, so I'm still thinking that I should take both of them or only one. So let's see what happens. Apart from these, I am also taking my journal with me because my journal is pretty thick. So I decided to take a small thin notebook which acts as my journal when I travel. And let me show you. This is very thin notebook. And this acts like my journal. Oh, I didn't have to put. Oh no. So plain page. Yeah, so this is a notebook which I'm going to take with myself. Okay, so this is the another thing. I think I'm pretty done with everything. I'm picking my planner just to check if I have told everything or there is something missing. Also, I'm taking my Vaseline with me because I love Vaseline. I don't like really put on lipstick, you all know that. If you don't know, I'm just telling you, but I put it sometimes. But Vaseline is something that I love to put because it's very nice and moisturizing. I love it. Vaseline, you can also sponsor me. You can sponsor me. Love you, Vaseline. Sponsor me right now. So let's check the list. Okay, the list is somewhere. Yeah, we're back to the list. Let me check. I was going to pack my chappal, then I realized baby you have to like wear it on the train, because I won't be wearing shoes on the train, then I can't sit cross-legged. Yeah, so I'm going to go in a chappal. It's comfortable bro. So going to keep a hairband with me, just so my hair doesn't come on my face when I wash my face. To be honest, my hair is very small right now because I just had a haircut, but before that it had become a bit like this, so I had to like put it up, but still I'm going to keep a hairband. I think maybe I'm not in a need, I can just keep my hair like this and I can just wash my hair, but it was like that. So I'd already made a list of all the things that I'm going to take on the trip. This is the list. Okay, this is the list, and you guys should also make a list always when you are going to a trip. Just jot down all the things that you think are important that you have to take, and it will become very easy for you to just follow along and just cut down everything you have packed. First pack them and then cut. Pehle mat cut karna. So along with the journal, because I'm going to take my journal, I'm also going to take a pen and a pencil, because pencil I'll write and pen also I'll write. You know that we write with pen. So pencil for my book and pen for just writing on the journal. So this is two things that I had missed. So apart from that, I think I have like told you everything. All the things are done. Oh my god, towel. I'm going to take showers now. I'm going to bath now. They just say, yeah, you forgot it. Yo. So a towel with you is a must. So I'm thinking instead of my normal towel, which is a bit thick, I'm going to take a thin one. Though I don't like the thin towels. But I think it's very good to take them. It's very comfortable and like they're very small and stuff. So I'm going to take it with me. I think that's it for all the things that I'm going to take with me, apart from myself and my cute ass personality. Yeah. Oh, I forgot, I'm also taking these cutie pies with me. These are the two hats that I'm going to take with me. Hello Mr. DJ, mera gana please. This is the first one and this is the second one. आपका जयपुर में स्वागत है. So these are the two hats that I'm going to take with me, and that's it for today. I'm so excited for this trip. This was drum roll. I'm so excited, and to be honest, this is going to be my first trip, which is going to be, it's not solo, to be honest. It's not solo. I tend to repeat, to be honest, so many times. The thing is, I have always traveled with my friends, even if one, and the thing is, I'm going to explore Jaipur with my friend only, but I'm going to go to Jaipur all by myself, and this is something new, a new experience, you know. So this is the first time that I'm going to travel alone. It's gonna be experience, and though I'm very confident of myself, I'm really confident, you know, and though I'm really confident of myself, I'm like, Tejasvi, you don't have to like miss the bus, train. I'm like, Tejasvi, you don't have to miss the train and stuff like that. So yeah, so this is my first time, to be honest, that I will be traveling alone. Not traveling alone, like traveling till the destination alone, and then I'll be exploring this place with my friend. So it's gonna be something new. Let's see. If I get comfortable, just make a vlog out of it, because it will be very awkward. I will be alone, and that too not in my room, on the train with all the people. Be very shy, and I don't know how would I do. Hello friends. So I'm on the train. People are watching me. I don't want to do this. So we are going to record the video. We are going to do this. We will do this. Okay, this is a challenge from me to me. You get it? We're going to record in front of people. No need to be shy. Just do it. Train wale log don't even know you. By the way, my hair looks so cute now. I'm so cute. Wow. Every day I fall in love with myself more and more. Can't really help it. I'm like so pretty, so amazing, the best. Oh my god, Tejasvi, the best. Oh my, oh sorry, this video will turn into Tejasvi obsession, Tejasvi self-love thing, so let's just end it. but I need to tell you guys that you also are amazing. No, I don't think that. You should think of yourself like that. You should think that you're amazing, you're cute, you're pretty, you're everything that you think you are. Not the negative things, positive things. Only talk about positive things. So you're pretty, you're nice, you're amazing, you're talented, you're everything. You can do it, you can do it. You can also go on a trip. So that's it for this video. I'm very excited. That's why I'm speaking so much. I need to pack my bag, to be honest. So I'll complete the packing. And I also have to go to the market to buy something. So I'll just go now and end this video. Meet you in the next one. Bye guys. So bye guys, and do like, share and subscribe this channel, and all your thoughts, and subscribe to this channel. Just subscribe, and I'm going bye guys.